Hey guys, just making a quick video here. I found some footage I wanted to share with everybody. Thought you all could have some fun with this, so stick around. Hey guys, I found some footage that I'd shot during a trip earlier this year, and I thought it was a lot of fun. I thought it was something I wanted to share and just see what you all thought about it. But I want to make it relevant to this channel in the sense that when I was watching the people in the video, I'm trying not to offer any spoilers here, but when I was watching the people in this video, I was reminded of something one of my professors told us the first day of school when I was a freshman. And basically he said, people who don't study here end up working at this place across the street. And basically the gist of what he was saying is, if we didn't study and do our best, we would be asking people if they wanted fries with that for some time to come. There was a very real life lesson to be considered in his words. And the meaning here for me is that I've watched American businesses kind of walk away from their employees over the course of my lifetime. You no longer have the security you once had, where you could maybe go to a company right out of high school. If they liked you, they'd offer to send you to college or send you to some type of management training, and your benefits were paid for. You got vacation time, you got health care benefits, you got educational benefits, you got a pension, all of these things. For most of us now as Americans, that's ancient history. That's just not how it is anymore. And I truly believe that if you want to feel secure, and in my mind, security is really at the foundation of freedom. So if you want to feel secure, you have to have a secondary income. You can't rely on an employer to provide you with a stable work environment, and you need to have a side gig. You need to have a side hustle. I'm all for you leaving your job at some point and being a full-time entrepreneur, having an online business, and make your living that way. You'll have a lot more control of your life. But I understand a lot of you just don't, you just don't have the level of security that lets you do that right now. But there shouldn't be anything holding you back from starting a side hustle. And here we are, end of 2019, start of 2020. This should be a New Year's resolution that I hope would be on everyone's mind. To make your life better in 2020 than it was in 2019, and to start building that foundation that one day, maybe in a year, maybe in 5 years, or maybe in 10 years, lets you move away from working for someone else and trading your life for dollars. But anyway, I want you to enjoy this video. There's some funny stuff in it. But just think about, the deeper meaning here that, if something happens to you and you don't have a side gig, if something happens to your employer and you don't have a side hustle going that provides you with some steady income, you might find yourself doing some unusual things to make ends meet. But with that said, enjoy the video. If you haven't done so already, please hit like and subscribe. I'd love to work with you in the new year. And just have fun, have a great New Year's, and we'll see you in 2020.